Sides
Wait
dito,
up.
on the pink.
Northwest
Auto,
mountain.
Auto, dismounted the ritual on the northeast.
Northwest.
They're walking towards
Northwest.
us now. They're walking southwest now. They're walking southwest now.
Let's see. I think it's much more better we fight in this lower choke, upper choke, no?
I mark color with the diamond.
Let's play here.
I mark color with the diamond.
The
The ritual color, diamond mark.
Dismount. Ah,
Tawag
wala
dito?
pa akong GG. What?
Pwede mo
Havoc,
napasakin nila kung gusto mo.
Havoc color.
Sige lang.
Sige, wait. Tol yung Havoc color Kasi yung longbow nila nakamark ng sword, naka A3 yun.
Clear the guards.
Okay, heart na lang gamitin ko tapos.
Nasaan sila? Southeast?
Yung heart ata nasa battle mount, pero sige, go lang.
Nagdodon sila.
Paano ko pag gusto nila 3-way pa?
I don't know,
Ay,
bro.
Hindi ko nga sila. Hindi, nagkakapaan lang yan, pre. Can we catch that dito sa northeast?
Karatsu.
Wait. Yayin yung pang lopet. Kung rin naglalakad kayo southeast. Catch nyo ready nyo i-catch. Just keep coming southeast.
Bok is moving southeast.
Yeah. I want to catch that guy. Kita nyo yung nasa likod ako. So, kayo catch yan Sige lang, lakad lang. Wala akong
Hindi na
big
nag-cheat.
Shit. No. Tara, ritual na natin mga top. Ilan day yung ritual?
Wala bro, yung the ritual boy. Heavy clap sila, heavy clap.
Tara, rap. Punta natin yung ritual.
Defensives need to be fast
Okay.
may marami silang A3.
Okay, palag.
Or at least may nakita akong dalawang A3.
Dito yung Havoc tas ano.
Dismount. Walk. Kinuha nila yung outpost diba?
Wala pa akong skill.
Come southeast. Can we Qs and Ws this guy? Anayin nyo lang. Bawasan nyo lang ng HP.
Yung Havoc per Earthbound tsaka HOJ. Sleazy yung call.
Okay.
Second Glavy Clamp to yung
Who's gonna watch your back?
Hold,
I
hold,
need
hold,
a
hold
tank
here,
watching her
hold
back.
here.
Havoc kasi SC dismounted by the road.
Okay. Come SC, come southwest fast. Put check OC. They're gonna look shallow, okay, careful. Cho. Player.
Fake that.
Chill a bit. They're gonna play on the choke, okay? Wait. Cho. They're gonna look, wait, shallow. The rituals dismounted northeast. Come northwest fast. Northwest. Where's everybody going? It's gonna look shallow, what the fuck? Guys, hello. Cho. Yeah, wait. Cho.
Careful.
Cho. Oh, just hold behind me, okay? Just hold behind me. Spread behind me.
Ito yung Earthbound
Yo,
lang.
on the shield pull, okay? On the shield pull in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the shield pull. Hey, bye. Baba. Come back.
Shit.
Northwest.
Sorry, my bad. Di ko
Nag-mount
kayo
up yung
nakabot.
Havoc na nag-mount up yung Havoc.
Okay. Figure if you have to. Just hold.
Careful they might trap you.
Lao lang shield, oy. Mark yun kasi Alex ng shield. CD.
Yung ano nila,
For
follow.
another engage, okay?
Wrapped around sila. Auto, northwest Havoc.
Okay.
We're standing tayo
Giga Amsad. Yo, ready to def this. Okay, ready to def this. Come back, keep coming back. Yo, shallow, northwest, mic down in 5, 4,
Tidurot
3, 2,
phone ko.
1. Wait. Now come back southwest fast. You don't need to brawl. Come back southwest and spread. Help my front. Dalawang ditang na wala sa akin.
Yung JJ na nasa loob ng outpost
Yeah, I know.
Hello yung ano, dito.
CD.
Ready, SH.
Kamis. Play down here. Play down the choke. Hold. Havoc, sir. Info. Okay, I see northwest. Cho. Play down the choke. It's okay. Play down the choke. We're gonna hit northeast first. Wait. Def. Oh my
fuck.
god, guys. Hello.
They're always engaging on WP.
Yo.
You have to that.
Look
Three times na yun.
northeast.
Dropping
Wait,
Judy.
Look northwest. Shallow my ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest shallow my ground. Come back. Come back fast, come back fast, come back fast. Ready for another engage. Careful, dead. Nice, good job. Come southeast now, come southeast.
Loki, look.
Down southeast, you don't need to fucking
Loki, look.
hold upper.
Defensive on the
Pumatay si Andes.
Guys,
Oh,
you're getting farmed. What the fuck are you guys doing? Hello?
SH ready,
Wala
SH
ba kayo?
ready.
Play down. Hello? Ginagawa nyo. You're playing like dogs right now. Hello? Just hold. Kita nyo, ginaano tayo. Three-way tayo. Pinipits tayo. Just fucking chill behind me, bro. They're fucking stupid. Walk a bit. Walk, coming, walk north. It's okay. First Havocs, I need to see where Havocs is. Cho.
northwest.
Rigger.
Southwest na direct wala.
Okay, come east, come southeast.
That's why I-
Comfort zone, how big?
Yung Agila.
Level 8, it's okay.
Agila tsaka ang Fortune, nag-zona sa northeast mo. Nasa northeast mo.
Ilan yung Agila? Yun yung Agila.
No DA.
Scout lang ate.
Comfort
Dyan.
zone, ano,
9DA comfort zone.
Yeah, I saw. Come. Faster, my Rigger's faster.
Dismounted yun. Okay.
Look south. Wait. Come back. Spread. Engage. Counter inside, mark out 5, 4, 3, 2, on me. Pull back northeast. Spread in northeast.
Ako lang magbabantay sa comfort zone.
Okay. Just
Sige,
watch flank. Just hold
Sige,
here.
dito ako sa likod
Chill.
mo.
Mana please.
We chill. Walk up a bit. Nasaan yung the ritual?
Southwest side.
Finish tayo.
Southwest, two screen away.
Okay, copy. You're ready to pop potion, okay? We're gonna go deep. Di tayo makapatay ng shallow.
Trying to fight what the fuck?
They're kiting. I mean, they're gonna turn. Their color's gonna turn. I feel like Havoc's
I
behind
think
them.
they're fighting someone also.
Yo,
Comfort
actually,
zone,
shallow
nasa
micron.
northeast
Yo,
mo
shallow
pa
micron in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Me. Can we kill this guy? Kill this guy. Kill. Bro.
Here.
They're fighting Havoc.
Yeah.
Southwest,
Walk west. Kill and walk
southwest.
west. Walk. Wait, chill here. Hold. Spread to my north side. Take space on my northeast side, okay? Nice.
SH ready.
Nice. Chill here. Enemies on the west and the south side, okay? Walk a bit. Walk. Chill. Spread while walking. They're turning
They're
on us.
looking at you.
Really Shallow. Counter, micron. Yo, pots. Potion.
Cancel yung inig ko, nakancel yung inig
Wait,
ko.
look, shallow,
Wala
micron.
pa engage.
One on me. Now spread. Full spread. They're looking.
They're gonna engage na.
Wala akong defensive.
Oh my god, I said spread. Come north. Actually, walk down southeast. Come southeast.
Agila behind you,
Agila
northwest.
behind, nasa northwest mo.
Southeast. Come southeast. Keep coming southeast. I'm inside them. Look.
SH ready.
Tanks, can you hold them? My tanks, can you hold them? Wait, look. I'm gonna fake. Okay, wait. Shoot. They're trying to kidnap me. Fast. They
Heal,
engage on me.
okay.
Guys, why can't you fucking walk? Hello?
Come southeast. Come here, southeast. Southeast, your shield. See, shield.
Agila, kita sa baba.
In the west.
Yes,
West side. 5,
Ah, shit.
4, 3, 2, 1. The shield.
We're gonna get sandwich.
Southeast.
Dumurarap
Can
na kayo.
you go southeast?
Southwest, over the wall.
Up the stairs. Can you go upstairs?
Down the stairs. Come here, south. Cut the sheet, south. Move, guys. Move south. Come here, keep on going south. Southwest. Move southwest. Come here, guys, southwest.
Gago na may dalawang beses na reflect yung inig ko.
Southwest. Mount up. Auto. Come back.
Yeah, buying gear.
Yeah.
It's so slow today.
Na-hold sila
Rela.
Na-hold sila sa likod kaya di nakasunod.